Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to look at this programming task from Codility training lesson. So a small frog wants to get to the other side of the road. The frog is currently located at position X and wants to get to a position greater than or equal to Y. The small frog always jumps a fixed distance d. So we want to count the minimum number of jumps that the small frog must perform to reach its target. So here's an example. So we have starting position at 10, stop position at 85, and each time the frog can jump 30 the distance d, which is 30. So the question is how many times that the frog has to jump in order to go from X to Y. So it has to jump 3 times. Okay, so it's a very simple problem. So first we need to determine number of jumps, and then we'll have to determine the first we'll have to determine if the distance. Okay, so in the example here, we have X starting position is 10 or it's 19, and Y destination is 85. Then the distance between X and Y would be Y minus X equal to 75. And then we want to divide 75 by 30, which is the distance that the frog can jump each time. Because it is a integer division, it's going to give us 2. And next we're going to look at the mod to see if 75, the overall distance, can be divided evenly by the distance, by the jumping distance. So 75 mod 30 is not going to equal to 0. So we're gonna have to add 1 to makes it 3 jumps for the frog to go from X to Y. Okay, so that's the idea how we're going to solve the problem. So we're going to first compute the distance. So the distance is going to be Y minus X. And then we are going to return distance divided by d. Okay. And we also want to look at if distance can be divided by d or not. So that is mod d. So it doesn't equal to 0. Then we are going to add 1. Otherwise, we don't have to add anything. And that's it. Okay. So the time complexity for this one, because we only have 2 statements here, the time complexity for this algorithm is just a constant time. So t of n equals to big O of 1. Run the code. So 100%. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.